Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can you go to jail for Replevin? The short answer is generally no, because a Replevin action itself is a civil matter, not a criminal one. Let's break down what that means. Replevin is a type of lawsuit you file in civil court to get your personal property back from someone who is wrongfully holding it. Think of it as the legal system's way of saying, hey, that's my car, my couch, or my dog, and you need to give it back. Because it's a civil case, the goal is to resolve a dispute between two parties, not to punish someone for a crime. In a successful Replevin case, the judge will issue a court order commanding the other person to return your property. The penalties for losing a civil case like this are typically returning the item and maybe paying for any damages or legal fees, not going to jail. However, and this is a very important distinction, actions related to the property dispute can absolutely be criminal and could lead to jail time. The Replevin lawsuit and the criminal charges would be two separate legal proceedings. First, there's contempt of court. If a judge orders you to return an item through a Replevin action and you deliberately refuse to comply, the judge can hold you in civil contempt. This isn't a criminal conviction, but a judge can put you in jail to force you to follow the order. You'd stay there until you either hand over the property or convince the judge you're unable to. Second, the way you took or kept the property might be a crime. For example, if you knowingly bought stolen goods, you could face criminal charges for receiving stolen property, separate from the owner's civil Replevin lawsuit to get their stuff back. If you borrowed your ex-boyfriend's laptop and refused to return it, he could sue you for Replevin, and the prosecutor could also charge you with theft or larceny. Third, fraud can be a factor. If you acquired property by writing a bad check or through some other form of deception, the seller could file a Replevin action to get their merchandise back, and you could simultaneously face criminal fraud charges. So, to be clear, you won't go to jail for simply being on the losing end of a Replevin lawsuit. The civil court system isn't designed to imprison people over property disputes. But if your actions involve defying a court order, stealing, committing fraud, or other criminal behavior, then you are definitely at risk of facing criminal charges and potential jail time. The Replevin case is just one piece of a much larger legal puzzle. Thanks for watching. If this video helped clear things up for you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more simple explanations of complex legal topics.